In this video, we're going to be looking at barbell biceps curls. Now, the conventional bicep curl, the forearms are going to be supinated, so palms up as we curl the barbell. However, we can also perform a reverse curl where the hands are pronated and therefore we curl like so with the palms down. This emphasizes the extensors of the forearms and also the brachioradialis. I'm first going to show a few reps with the barbell. However, for a reason I'll get onto, often an EZ bar can be a little bit more comfortable. So let's have a look. From this position, we need to ensure we have good posture. So we don't want the shoulders forwards or hunched up. So nice high chest, shoulders back. My hands are on the outside of my legs. From there, I bend the elbows and bring the barbell up towards my chest. Just note, my elbows can come forward slightly because the long head of the biceps does play a small role in shoulder flexion. So coming down, good eccentric phase, make sure we lengthen fully at the bottom so we don't stay in this slightly flexed position. So full length for the bicep and contract. Keep the chest nice and high, nice high head. We often can jerk a little bit to cheat the movement. However, as a whole, keep ourselves in this strict position. What people will often do is put their back against a wall or post to prevent them from cheating the movement. For the reverse curl, we just take an overhand grip. Same hand position just outside the legs, nice high chest, and we reverse curl, keeping the elbows tucked into our sides. Now, the reason an EZ bar can be beneficial, not just for adding variety to your training, is because often when we supinate the forearms, so our palms are facing up, it can be quite uncomfortable on a straight bar for some people, and this is just down to elbow and forearm anatomy. If you held your hands out like so, some people's palms will naturally be pointing directly up towards the ceiling, whereas as you can see with mine, naturally they're semi-supinated. And therefore, when I go to hold a straight barbell, I actually have to force the movement a little bit. So let's have a look at the EZ bar. With the EZ bar, there are angles in the bar. And therefore, we can take different positions. We can take a narrow grip, or we can take a wider grip. And it's quite comfortable, regardless of whether we are underhand or overhand. So showing a few reps, you can see how the EZ bar can be quite comfortable. So the EZ bar is great for bicep curls. The only downfall of using the supinated grip on a barbell, or the EZ bar should I say, is that you're semi-supinated. And therefore you're not getting that full contraction at the top. Because remember, the biceps work to supinate the forearm. And therefore, this is one of the benefits of dumbbells, turning the dumbbells in or squeezing the biceps hard at the top with the barbell. However, as a whole, it is a great bar.